Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So you might be wondering what is this I'm showing. So previously, I think last month or might be 2 weeks back, I had discussed about this on my video, and I was really happy. One of my YouTube friends sent me this, prepared and sent me this. I don't know from where he got or if he has prepared himself, but it was very nicely done. So I've already told you trading in stock market, what would you expect? This kind of situation is far better than this kind of situation, a situation where your profits are low, but the accuracy is very good, and you can see the returns is 20,000, but for the same returns of 20,000 you can see the second example, taking big losses and big profits. Okay, so the second option will always leave you second option will always leave you emotionally exhausted. So what happens in the second kind of trade is that when you see such kind of big trades, big losses, many of them quit trading and they won't be able to make regular consistent profit. So better than that was this kind of small profits. And why am I saying all this is because our situation also is in the same kind of mode as of now. So you can see the intraday, this is the intraday strategy which you're doing, and this is an covered call night strategy which you're doing. So the intraday strategy, all those who are following, you can see continuously back to back, and people those who are wondering that the small profits are small, friends, let me remind you, let me tell you, we are just doing a demo account with a small fund, just by taking one or two lots only, and you can see the returns are almost 20%. If you're wondering 1700 is low or might be 1300 rupees is low or 900 rupees is low, don't the one more quote which I had given you, power of tiny drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Okay, so if at all you're successfully doing this kind of profits in small account, then simple, you just have to increase your capital, make your capital 2 lakhs, and your returns also will increase accordingly, it will be 40,000. Make your capital 3 lakhs and your returns will be 60,000. I'm not saying that it is so easy as what I'm saying, but I'm just telling you the power of this kind of consistency. Follow a strategy, study it very hard, practice it day and night, keep doing a paper and all this thing. Try to get this kind of consistency. It will really help you in your trading career. You can really live out of trading. And people those who have not watched those videos, I have uploaded each and every video. I have also uploaded in the Telegram channel before trading, and then after trading I have uploaded in the YouTube channel as well. So you can go through and study, you can do your trend analysis, you can do all kinds of practice and make sure that you learn, you master trading and come out successfully. And people those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is a channel for all the working professionals, so don't forget to press the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell button. Okay, so you will get notifications as soon as I post in my YouTube channel. And these days I'm posting regular live trading videos, not live trading, whatever trading we are doing in the morning, I am posting it on YouTube by evening. Okay friends, so let us look into today's trade. Okay, so this was the previous this thing. Okay, so the stock once again selected was Bajaj Finance, one of my favorite stock, the stock in which we are doing our trending. And today also you can see the market has crashed almost 8%, and those who are doing the trend analysis were able to make excellent profits today as well. So our main accounts also saw almost 7-digit figures today. So I was really excited to see, but I don't want to share those 7 digits on my screen. It will misguide many people. Okay, so let us stay calm, let us stay cool, go slow step by step, and I'm sure everyone will reach to this kind of levels. And once again, the stock I selected was Bajaj Finance, as I told you. So we are going to do the covered call. So I am going to place the covered call first, that is the call option. I'm selling the call option first, and you can see that it will not get executed immediately. Okay, this time it has got executed immediately. So then after that we place the market order for the future. So friends, concept is simple, only thing is execution. And also many are worried about the stocks. Don't worry about stocks friends, because this is hedging. Stocks, you can take any stocks and you can do covered call, it doesn't matter. I would say stock selection is least important. If at all you ask for importance, I would say 20 to 30% only importance is for stock selection. Rest all depends on your mentality, your execution skills and all this thing. Okay. So we placed the trade. You can see 3 orders have been placed in Bajaj Finance. You can see 3 legs which we have placed in Bajaj Finance, and that was done yesterday evening, and today morning as soon as market opened, you saw we got a profit of around 2687. So it was easily done for us, though after that market crashed, so we came out correctly. We immediately, as market opened, we are closing trades these days. As you know, we are trying to do BTST, that is close immediately in the morning. Okay. Now coming to the Strangle, the stock selected is M&M. And how did I select M&M? I just did the trend analysis. I am just taking the 1 minute candles for doing the trend analysis, and I found that M&M was moving sideways. So it's not that you have to track all the 50 stocks. Start tracking one by one. So whichever stock you get first, which is moving sideways, select it. And also, Strangle also, we are depending on the theta, so we want stocks which are moving sideways. So I am just trying to take stocks which are having the strike price which are OTM, and 550 is fine. Okay, I have taken wrong. I have taken put, I guess. That is why the premium was so high. I was shocked to see 48. Okay, it is not CE, it is P. Perfect, 3.85 rupees. Now the same range I can find it around 640. So let me immediately add 640 as well. So 640 call is added. So you can see the prices are almost the same. And now I am doing the sell of 2 lots intraday. And once again, execution. Make sure you place limit orders. It has to be same when you're doing the exit as well. So these days what I'm doing is I'm just calling the customer care and asking them to close off the trades, because I was a little bit busy going out and all those kind of things. So but when you're placing your trades, make sure you place limit orders carefully. Okay, so both the orders have been placed. You can see both the legs. Okay, and let us just wait for some time. Yeah, so you can see quickly we made profit today as also. So overall profit, you can see it's 4,227 as of now, and we never took much time today. It was very quick. Okay, so you can see at 9:36 we took the trade, and immediately by 9:45 we are out of the trade. Quickly we made profits, and once again the double barrel has made us money in the night and day as well, and that is what we can see. I had updated in the Excel as well. So first I showed you Bajaj Finance also gave us 2,700 something profit, and again M&M has given 1,600 rupees profit, and overall we were in very good profits today. Okay friends, so slowly you can see we are recovering the loss in the covered call, which is depend on the market, but in the daytime purely is our skill. If the market moves in the wrong direction, we will be doing the adjustments. If at all God is great enough, He will give us profits for the day, but as of now it's going good. Okay friends, so once again hope you all had a very good trading day, and all those who already finished trading for the month, hope you're all reading books which are given to you, the list which are given to you. Please don't get tempted, because I got few people who are telling, sir, I'm not able to resist trading and I want to do trading. So for that I have one more solution, is just take one share of equity and trade. In whichever trade you want to do, you can take 1 or 2 share of that and trade, so that your urge of trading will happen, and also it won't impact your profit P&L. Okay, because for example, as I told you also, Bajaj Finance gave huge profits, and if you're staying out of the market, it will really urge you that I missed such big profits and I missed such big rides and all those things. So people, those who can't stop this kind of urges, please trade with small quantities, that is 1 or 2 quantity, so that you're in the trade, you're participating in the trade, you know what is going on in the market, and also it won't affect your P&L as well. Okay friends, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.